I had a few spare hours over the weekend, so I thought, why not build a castle? Specifically the Schlossberg castle in Mecseknádast, Hungary. Only a few probable floor plans and a rough sketch and some ruined walls remains of this fortress. I wanted to see what it might have looked like back in the Middle Ages. I uploaded the theoretical drawings and 2 current site photos to Hicksfield. I chose this platform because I wasn't sure which model would be best for the job, so I organized a little castle beauty contest. I experimented with GPT image, Flux 2 and Seedream 4.5. Well, in the end, Nano Banana Pro was the clear winner for me. It captured the architecture perfectly. I picked the best shot, but there was one problem. The modern village with solar panels was visible in the background. I used Photoshop generative fill, but any online tool with the inpaint function would work. To make sure I had more than just a single photo, I dropped the final image into the Hicksfield Angles app. It generated a castle from several different perspectives. For a hobby project like this, they were more than enough. Finally, I took 3 of the angles and brought some life into them using Kling AI. The Schlossberg Castle of Mecseknádast reconstructed.